Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Today is Monday 21st December 2020. We will start chapter number 8. The name of chapter is Projection of a Side of a Triangle. In this chapter we will discuss some definitions only because it is important for only definitions. First definition is the projection of a point. The projection of a point on a line segment, on any line segment. Now, the projection of a given point on a line segment is the foot of perpendicular. This is the sign of perpendicular. Drawn from the point on that line segment. If CD is perpendicular to AB, then evidently D is the point is the foot of perpendicular CD from the point C on the line segment AB. Look at this figure. This is a point C and this is a line segment AB. So the projection of this point on the line will be the foot of this perpendicular CD, and foot of the perpendicular is this. This is the foot of perpendicular. So this point D is the projection point of projection on line segment AB. This D is the projection of point C on line segment AB. And now the projection of a line segment. The line segment which is horizontal line, not the vertical line. So the projection of a line segment CD on the line segment AB is the portion EF intercepted between the foots of the perpendicular C and D. Look at the figure. This is the figure of projection of the line segment. Suppose this is a line segment CD and its projection on the line segment AB is E to F. Its mean the line drops the shadow or the projection on line AB from E to F. This intercepted portion, this portion from E to F is the projection of line segment CD on line segment AB from the foots of the perpendicular C and D. These are the foots of the perpendicular. It is E is the foot of perpendicular from point C and F is the foot of perpendicular from point D. So E to F is the portion which is projection of the line segment CD on line segment AB. Understood? Its mean this line drops the shadow of itself on line AB as EF. Now the projection of a vertical line. This is the projection of vertical line CD. CD is a vertical line and its projection on AB will be the point only. Now projection of a vertical line segment CD on a line segment AB is the point on AB which is of 0 dimension. It is 0 dimension. 0 dimension mean there is no any projection on the of the line segment CD on line segment AB. It is only the point, and because there is no difference between the foot of perpendicular from point D will be here and the foot of perpendicular from C will be here. So the foot of any perpendicular is the projection of the point or the line or the portion between these foots of the perpendiculars will be the portion of line segment. So there is no portion on the line segment AB of perpendiculars from C and D. So there is no projection on the line AB of line segment CD. So it is known as zero dimension. The portion of vertical line segment CD, this is vertical line segment, and dotted line shows the projection of this vertical line. Vertical line, suppose this is a vertical line, this marker is a vertical line, and this line on the surface of the board having no dimension. So it's look here, there is no shadow on the board, so it is known as zero dimension. It has no any shadow on the surface on which it is vertically standing, so it is known as zero dimension. Look here, if the surface is this board is the surface, and this is a vertical line, and look, it is very clear there is no shadow between this marker and the board surface, so it is known as zero dimension. Okay, if the line is horizontal, it's showing any projection on the line. This portion is known as projection of the vertical horizontal line, but vertical line having no shadow on the other line like this in vertically, so it is known as zero dimension.